Namaste friends.
Namaste friends.
I'm Sanvi.
I'm Chetan. Today we are going to tell you how to make Pani Puri.
So guys, one interesting fact about our Pani Puris is we are not going to use any Pudina or Jaggery. So guys, this is the speciality of our Pani Puris. Due to the lockdown, we are unable to go out of our homes and eat the special chats we used to have before. So guys, let's try something new and make it at home. Please join me. Let's start making our Chatpata Pani Puris.
So guys, our Pani Puri is ready.
So guys, finally our Pani Puris are ready. I think they are very chatpata now because this is the once when I loved eating Pani Puris. So guys, let's taste our Pani Puris now. No need to worry at home because in lockdown also we are having the chatpata snacks. So guys, join me. Let's start tasting them.
Let's go to our counter.
Yes, he is right. Come on.
So guys, we are in our counter.
Let's check how much crispy are our puris. Wow, puris are very crispy. Let me put it in our aloo. Let's taste it. Wow, it looks very tempting.
Oh sister, give me now.
Okay, fine, wait.
Now let me taste. It is very tasty.
Now it's time for me to taste. Wow, it's very yummy and tasty. I feel next time I need not go to the Pani Puri counter and make it home because it's really very tasty. No need to go out. Make at home, eat at home, stay healthy and stay fit. Thank you.